Today, I'm at a high-end wheel manufacturer to find out how this turns into a $16,000 set of wheels.
The first step in the process is to shape the face of the wheel out of a raw blank utilizing a vertical lathe. This process sets the tone for the whole design as well as establishing the wheel's offset. Once the front and back of the wheel blank has been shaved down, it moves over to the milling process. Now this might look very similar to some of the other CNC machining you've seen on this show, but the major difference here is time. Depending on the design of the wheel's face, this part of the process can either take a very short amount of time or a very insane amount of time. Once the machining of the wheel face has finished, the same tech who oversaw the piece's machining will check the design spec consistency. HRE offers an array of different finishes based on your desires and your price point. But where they excel and where the dollars start to pile up is with their ceramic high polish and hand brush techniques. Once the prep and finishing has been completed, the wheels are put through a thorough cleaning to get rid of any residue or compounds left over from polish and brush. This might not seem like that big of a deal, but if these wheels aren't squeaky clean, the powder coat won't set properly, and that's a big problem. Nobody's paying $16K for a set of wheels with a chunky powder coat job. After cleaning, the wheels are powder coated in one of 3 booths, then placed in an oven for the paint to literally bake in. This is the final step before the wheels move on to the graduation day on the assembly table. This might be the most detail-oriented moment of the entire process. Assembly techs like Robert are literally the watchers on the wall for quality. Robert is responsible for making sure that all the work that led to this moment is up to the highest degree of perfection, and he is detailed. Robert's commitment and attention to quality really encapsulates what makes these wheels not only expensive, but worth every single penny. Top-tier raw materials, meticulous methods of operation, and a commitment to pushing the standards of their products beyond the status quo is what makes them what they are. Absolutely stunning.